She's off. Come on, girls! Come up! Hello! Hi, Hiccup! Yay! Good girl, Hiccup! Good girl, Hiccup! Can you girls not wrestle there, please? Hello! Oh, good girl! We're going to get some feed for the goats and the cow, aren't we, Hiccup? Into the shed. That's good, eh? Oh, Millie, you're a good girl. Millie's got a bone in the... Come on. Maybe I could run backwards. Good girl, Ika. Good girl. She's off. Come here, sweetie, come. Never thought I'd say those words. Oh, she's got a good nose touch. Oh, she's got a good nose touch. Hello, Mummy Melly. Come on then, we've got to feed the animals. I don't know what you are, then. There's the chookies. And the Bessie. Oh. And the boy. Everyone's coming for their hay. Cup's hurting them. Alright. Come on, girls! Come on, girls! Come on, Hiccup! Good girl! Yay, Hiccup! Good girl! Well done! Well done! What a good recall, little pig. What a good recall. Oh, she likes the face scratches and nose touches. Oh, yes, the little piggy legs off the ground. So cute. Hi, lips. We're racing! Come on, Hiccup! Good girl. Good girl. Well done, Hiccup. Come on. Smithfield. Wrestling as always. Ricky and Wendy are in bed. Little guzzle. The little guzzle head. She had a full bottle 3 hours ago and she's dying of the hunger. Our little Hiccup brick. Eating us out of house and home.